For number 3, I want to plug in the g function into the f function for fog. So that's my notation. And I want to put in open parentheses wherever I see an x in the f function. And inside of that space, I'm going to plug in the g function. And then I want to simplify. So I need to distribute and then combine like terms. So that's one of my answers. For Goth, it's really the reverse. I'm going to start by copying down the g function and put in open parentheses wherever I see an x, and then plug in the f function. And then I need to simplify. And that will be my answer.